Hi guys, it's Tony again, bringing you a description. Today we're looking at Morrisons vegetable stock cubes. That's what's on the back. Zoomy, 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 zoom, 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 zoom. Alright. Like always, guys, just pause this video. So we get 12 in a pack. Well, one just landed in there, so we're going to use that. Alright. Let's have a look at this. Alright. What I'm doing at the moment is I'm making some rice, but I learned from a good friend that what you do is you make any kind of rice up, add a little vegetable stock cube such as this, and once what happens is melt that in, and that'll just promote the flavour. So it's melting quite well. So I bring this to the boil. Mainly I want to show you what it just seasons stuff up. Let's have a look. Taste that. It's nice. Not bad. I mean, as far as vegetable stock cubes are concerned, it's okay. Anyway, I'm just going to add some rice to this. I've got about half a bag of rice. Today we're using Growers Harvest. This is exclusively for Tesco. I have viewed a few more of their products. This is it's 1 kilogram bag, and it's only 45p, so I thought I'd have a go at that. And so what you do is you just literally put the rice in. The reason it's better in a wider cooking device is because I've used the short ones and the rice tends to stick, but this will stop the rice sticking, as well as also I've got another butter in there as well. And also I'm going to put a bit of Himalayan sea salt in there just to flavour up the rice a bit. Obviously I'm going to wash it out, but it's just while it's cooking. Yeah, so that's just a quick look at those guys. Would you recommend these? Not really. I don't think there's much taste to them, to be honest with you. These were given to me, but would I buy them again? Nope, definitely not. I don't know. I'd have to put a lot in, and I just don't really rate them. But I'll be using them up anyway, and as I say, but not a rebuy for me. Thanks for watching, guys. Love you. Like, subscribe, and we'll catch you soon.